Various firms, whether small, medium-sized, or large, aim to improve service quality or cut expenses without changing the way things are now done. Robotic process automation is useful in this situation. It can automate many processes within the organization, thereby increasing efficiency. What is RPA? RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, refers to software solutions that partially or completely automate repetitive, rule-based, manual human tasks. They function by simulating how a real person might interact with one or more software programs to do tasks like data entry, normal transaction processing, or simple customer care inquiries. In fact, the chatbot that has begun to appear frequently on websites is nearly usually a robotic instrument for automating processes rather than a real person. Robotic process automation's primary objective is to replace the monotonous and repetitive clerical work done by humans with a virtual workforce. RPA automation does not need the creation of new code or direct access to the application's code or database. Instead of replacing the underlying business software, robotic process automation technologies just automate the manual operations currently performed by human workers. In essence, they examine the screens that modern employees see and update the identical boxes and fields within the user interface by obtaining the necessary data from the necessary source. RPA lowers costs, boosts productivity and accuracy, and frees up staff so they can concentrate on higher value tasks. This automation technology works effectively for repeated, rule-based, highly structured processes. The need for RPA. The corporate environment is dynamic. For an organization to expand and remain relevant, its processes for sales, marketing, and other areas must be continuously improved. A typical business runs its activities via numerous, unconnected IT platforms. Due to concerns with schedule, budget, and implementation difficulty, these IT systems are not usually modified in conjunction with business process changes. Therefore, the technical process that is mapped in the IT system is not represented by the business process. The gap between systems and processes is filled by a human workforce in order to pay off this technical and organizational debt. To confirm the booking of its goods, a corporation modified the sales process so that an obligatory 50% prepayment is required. However, the IT system does not yet have this code. Only if a 50% advance is made will a human employee be required to manually review the invoice and payment information and complete the sales order. Steps involved in robotic process automation, RPA. There are 4 steps involved in the implementation of robotic process automation, RPA. The first state is that of planning. The workflow that is to be automated is identified in this stage. The setup project team determines the timing and strategy for implementation. The design of robotic process automation is a solution to many. Choose a logging method that should be used to track down bots that aren't working properly. To accelerate the introduction of RPA, a clear roadmap should be established. The second state is that of development. This develops the automated workflow as per the plan that was initialized. The next step is that of the testing. This stage involves the testing cycles to identify the bugs. The final stage includes support and maintenance. This process provides continuous support to the business processes. Applications of robotic process automation, RPA. Customer service. As per the survey conducted by Deloitte, over 95% of businesses have reported higher productivity thanks to RPA. Customer support representatives frequently handle manual processing activities. They have a set task cycle that they must follow, which includes information sorting and dealing with repetitive query handling. In essence, there is increasing potential to outsource tasks like file processing, data handling, insight management, and information segmentation to bots that can complete them in a matter of minutes. Additionally, people want to be able to contact their favorite brands around the clock. By enabling chatbots, customers may communicate with their companies whenever they want without having to speak to live representatives. This enables quicker settlements and maintains the brand's reputation. As a firm, you can anticipate faster response times for customer handling, increasing cost-effectiveness because RPA chatbots provide quicker resolution and real-time customer satisfaction. Manufacturing industries. RPA is a well-known enabler for driving digital revolutions in the manufacturing sector. For instance, you can automate your accounts payable process, invoice processing, and supply chain management in the manufacturing industry using various types of automation technology. Cybersecurity. Using RPA, you may increase data encryption on your important documents and offer 24/7 security. Eliminating the necessity for manual intervention and updating the current source codes are two great ways to guarantee that no hackers can access sensitive information. This can prevent threats. There is always a risk of illegal access while working with sensitive data. It can be tough to detect dishonest intruders while keeping a constant surveillance on the network perimeters. RPA comes in handy when you want to keep track of each individual access and alert the network of any unwanted entry. This prevents unauthorized access. RPA bots can alert the appropriate staff to take the essential steps to manage the cyber attack as soon as a security breach happens. Such attacks frequently grow into widespread ransomware attacks with manual interventions, making it challenging to contain and stop the threat in real time. This ensures that there is a quick update. Future of RPA. The use of RPA is growing across a variety of industry sectors because of its scalability, low investment requirements, and high return on investment. Over the course of the projection period, the market will benefit from these solid potential. According to a Forrester survey, 99% of bots need specialized scripting. Utilizing the potential of machine learning and artificial intelligence, AI, is currently popular, ML. You are not the only one who has doubts about the viability of RPA in the future. It's difficult to see how task-based automation could process at hyperspeed and harness AI in the future because RPA is a technology designed to automate operations that are typically carried out by humans. IDC predicts that global AI market revenues, which include software, hardware, and services, would increase by 19.6% annually to $432.8 billion in 2022 and surpass $500 billion in 2023. Therefore, robotic process automation, RPA, would play an important role in industries in the near future. The market is also expected to grow. Hope you found this video useful. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.